Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change your function key behavior on HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. To do this, we're gonna have to open the Start menu and then go to the Power Options and shut down our computer because we're gonna have to enter BIOS menu in order to change the function key behavior. So wait for the LED indicator on your power button to go off, then wait for another 5 seconds to turn your device on by short pressing the power button once, and while it's being powered on, start repeatedly pressing the escape button on the other side of your keyboard. After some time, the startup menu will appear on your device's screen, and once it does, press F10 button to open BIOS menu. Now you can navigate in BIOS menu using either your device's touchpad, touch screen, or keyboard. If you want to use keyboard, you can use left and right keys to navigate between tabs, up and down keys to navigate between options, enter to select, and that's pretty much it. So we want to go to configuration, and in configuration we're gonna have to find the launch hotkeys without FN key press option, and now we can switch it between auto, enabled, or disabled option. So if it's enabled, then we don't have to unlock secondary function keys by pressing FN and Shift button, and then we'll be able to use our hotkeys without FN button. Or we can disable this feature, or we can set it to auto if we want to use the switcher between using and not using FN button with the function keys to use hotkeys. Now I hope I explained it. I hope you understood what I was trying to explain, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. So now to apply these settings, you're gonna have to press F10 button, then press Enter to save changes and exit the BIOS menu. If you don't want to save changes, press Escape and then Enter. This way you will leave without changes. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.